Sanibonani, igama lami nguNompumelelo Kubheka. Ngihlala eHeidelberg. Today ngizoqala istory about ukuthi ngihlele kanjani ku-wheelchair and how I became disabled and like how I lost my hearing nokuthi ngihlale ku-wheelchair and lose my eyesight. Okay, week it was August mangikhumbula kahle.
Okay.
The week ye Women's Month between 8, 9, 10 angisakhumbula kahle. So day besine practical, it was on a Friday. So most of my practicals esikolweni ngama Friday siba nama competition, siyapheka, sihlale sixoxe kube mnandi vele. So same day ngavuka mara bengizwa ngikhathele ne ngicabanga ukulova but ngikhumbula ukuthi mawuyilanga le practical is a must to go there because ama marks lawo, you understand. So ngivukela ngala khona ngingagibeli local ngingwalk to a special shopping center la bengigibela khona ama taxi. So ngihambe mangifika lapha ngigibela itaxi ngihambe masifika esikolweni sifike siprepare kube mnandi silungisa izinto zethu. So masifika bekuba nama ingredients sonke sasama same ingredients then siyapheka. So at the end of the day taste lawo ma dishes siwaphekile sipheke same thing but obviously masipheka ukudla kwethu kuzoba different like bese bayakuthasta then that's how we get a prize yabo into ezinjalo. So same day sipheke masipheka kungukuthi day before yakhona bokune event like angisakhumbula ukuthi bokuyi graduation or bokuyi ceremony yama gift angisakhumbula kahle but thina besipheka nje bokumsebenzi wethu okupheka khona esikolweni. So besipheka sipheka so yabona masiqeda ukupheka siyadla yabona siba nokudla sikuphakela bese suba nokudla sikubeka esayidini. So sisebenze maqeda usebenza sidle kube right vele bese ukwabona later on sichayise vele ngibuyela endlini maka mangibuya endlini following day kula ngizizwa khona ukuthi ngikhathele angikhona ukuba kahle yabona. So but then ngiye esikoleni mangifika kube lelanga le practical as I said. So masifika sipheke beef stew langa lakhona nethanga senza like besipheka ukudla but beef stew bokuyimain. So mangibhizi ngipheka la ngithi ngithe ngiyadla khona bokusikhathi ukuthi mosesitudla kakho man ngifila ngathi ukudla lokhu kunobu taste bitter nyana or something like maybe ama taste bites wami yabona. Hamasehle kanjalo ngizwe ngidizi yabona. Ngihlale besiba nama toolbox where la kuhlala khona imimese amaphili and everything like ama tools okupheka akho kitchen. Ngithathe yona ngihlale phansi ngitshela le partner yami lengisebenzana ngisiyazi makasondele umem ungivuse yabona. So bathi okay phumula mara umoto bese wa ready sengifakile yonke into ngigobe ngihlale phansi kathi mangihleli phansi ngihlezi isikhathi esithi mabangivusa kuthi nangu umuntu uyaza bathi ngingakhona uvuka then umem lo afika uyifacilitator le ingivuse vele mangivusa mangithi ngiyasukuma ngifika ngathi ngifuna ukuhlanza ngigijime nge-toilet mangifika e-toilet ngihlanza ngihlanza something green yabo beyibaba into yakhona it was bitter and everything. So ngenze isibangiceda apha ngiphume ngihlala bathi ngihlala ngaphandle ngisho noma ushaya umoya like you do feel better. So mangihlala lapha ngaphandle ngigobe futhi still. So mangigoba ngifike umuntu umfana like he was a friend at the same time wafana velakazi afike angibuza ukuthi yini inkinga yami ngimtshela angazi but ngathi ngahle into sweet athi kimi hayi asabi ngizokuthengela lapha ecanteen vele. Masifika lapha ngithengele bokuyi-Tropica i-chocolate ne-beer. Mangiceda ukuzidla lezo zinto ngifile ngcono yabona. Asibuye sihlale until kushaye isikhathi sokuthini i-practical seyiphilile so kuzohanjwa manje. So masihamba senzeni sihambe sibaningi bangikhaphe bangimele ukuthi itaxi zihambe. So mangene itaxi ngihambe noNeo. uNeo umngane wami ohlala eKagiso. Ithi ngihambe nawo because ukuthi uzokwazi ukufika because ubhizi uyalala ubadize thi singesazi ukuthi usafe ufike kahle nje. Lapha ngizange ngacabanga nokufona umama wami nomntasekhaya. I thought ukuthi inyonga ngisho. Hama ngifike endlini sifike noNeo silale. Asibe right. Following day ekuseni ubaba kaNeo amtshela uNeo kwamele abuye because uvele wahamba ngakhuluma. So ngakhapha uNeo masifike emateksini agibele ahamba uNeo ngibuye endlini. Mangibuye endlini mina ngilala yabona. So mangilala nginganothisi ukuthi ngilala isikhathi esingakanani. Then umama everyday bekangifonela because izindlu zi2 so mina bengiyama ngapha since ngimdala vele anyway. So umama ongifonela everyday so sometimes angangifoneli. Oh angifonele I mean. So mangifonela ngiphendula ifone ane. Ithemba ukuthi mamncane wami afike. Makafika bengizwa inokho but ngizwela kude. Understand? So akokota mamncane ngimuzwe bese ahamba mamncane ke because angikhona ngokuvuka because ngizamile ukuvuka but it felt like a dream. Understand? Papa ngizame ukuthi ngithole ifone yabona. Mangithole ifone ngithatha kancane ngibhale message to umntasekhaya angazi ukuthi yini engenza ukuthi ngenze kanjalo but mangibhale message ngibhala kuyo ngibhala ama pin wami wasebank.
Okay.
Ngimupha ipin ipassword phone. Ngithi kuye mbali angazi kenzakalani. Maka the way ngiweek ngakhona ngizwa ngathi ngiyahamba. Yabona. After lapho ngifile week futhi. So according to it umbali wayenzani wagijima utshela umama. Kuthi mama bekumpuma send message ithini. Mama bebahlele endlini so umbali umama osibekathi bebaphuza itiya nobabami. So lapho imoto esendlini ngimushekile. Bafolele umalume kababami ukuthi eze. Makafika banikeza imoto. Apha sathe imoto bafike la. Mafika la endlini ibhada bengakhiyanga umnyango bengakhiyanga. Bavule. Mangivula ngisempedeni. Yabona. Umama ngiyamusa uyangibamba. Bayabuza ukuthi yini. Ngihlanze. Ngithi angazi. Bangithathe bangathi seKrevagen. Masifike eKrevagen mangimele bangashise fast ukuthi kuyenzakalani. The first thing abayicabangile ukuthi maybe lo muntu lo pregnant. Because uthi yonke into imnukela kabi, understand enjalo akukhona ukudla in. So ngithi mina ngikho pregnant yabona. So bathi ngibhizi ngichubeka ngihlanza babeka ibhakethi bengihlanza non stop. Kwabona uhlanze usuhlanza umoya like makamoto uzongaphuma something but kuphuma umoya. Hayi bangilalisa empedeni. Then bangipete ngesomething enyokuthi kuphume imifumo ngasemuva vele. Bangipete. Kuphume vele kuphume. Maka manje uyabona kuphuma izinto ezirekayo. Then manje emlomeni sengiphuma nomhlanzo kwamagwebu. Hayi bangiphuzisa i-multivitamin but maybe ukuthi ngesikhathi ngingadli because bangibuza ukuthi mina mangifika endlini bokuyini ngithi mina I think bokuyi Friday. So manje yini basi ngiyazi ukuthi namhlanje yini ngithi no angazi. I think it was Sunday or Monday but only to find it was after 3 days. So just ngilale for 3 days. Yabona. So anginamanzi emzimbeni anginanisi. Umama abona ukuthi bathi kimi bangihlabe i-multivitamin. Inginukele even more seyinuka ngaphakathi manje angichubeke ngihlanze. Sibuye. Yabona masibuya ngenzani ebusuku. Ngithi kumama ngicela uphone ugogo ufana umalume ufana mamncane ngicela nipheke coleslaw chicken imesh nethanga ngifuna ukudla kanjalo mama cala ukuthi wayekhuluma kanjalo Mpumi ngithi angasi ngicela ukubona bonke abantu basendlini abantu basekhaya mama panic abafonela enze kanjalo following day ifika ifamily kupheke masokumele ngidle angikhoni and lapho manje sengiba even more weaker because my wasinyavuka empedeni engakhoni ngiphethe umchamo mangiyofika ngihlale esithini umchamo uphuma ugogo wami ahlale phansi athi mbekeni la Mpumi kimi so bengihlala so inhloko yami la ugogo azami kungifunza athi ngihlabhiza ngilisa kancane angisele izinto ezisoft like ithanga imeshi ngikhona ukuzidla yabona after lapho ngithi kuba ngifuna ukuyolala ngihambe ngiyolala mangiyolala ngisengizwa nakwabona uyazi ukuthi bayakhulula bayagcokisa bayakunyakazisa awazi usikenzakalani so ngibatsho ukuthi ngiyangiphazamisa ngilele and lapha ephupheni ngibona ibhasi ngibona my late sister ibhasi yahamba so ngibhizi ngifuna ungena ebhasini mara yabona ngathi mababhizi bayanyakazisa bayangiphazamisa ukuthi ngingakhona ungena ebhasini ibhasi yangishiya yabona so sengiyakwata abantu ukuthi ibhasi ngishilo sisi wami nangu uyahamba understand so next thing ngizwa like ngifakiwa something emapipini ngibona ama-light like ngibona ngasigcwele abantu angi-understand ukuthi bokenzakalani lapho yabona after some time ngiphaphame lezwa bright light ngibhekile khani imishini like kuba nama-sound engingawezwa ukuthi mabakhuluma ngathi bayamama like ngibona ama-lipstick phela yanyakaza then ngizame ngizokuthi nentela empumulweni like kuba ngathi kunento ehleli nje empumulweni angi-understand ukuthi ngibhizi ngizame ukuyidonsa kancane into ngizame ukuyidonsa kancane until yaze yaphuma so uma iphuma lento leyo kurazi imishini understand like ngizwa ngathi like kunomuntu manje unyakazisa umbheda yenza kaso kanti yimi I was shaking so ngizwa ngibhizi kuba amanzi la so makumanzi so bafike ngizwa ukuthi like bayangithena babangithenga babe something lezitshalo ezingathi curve so kuphuma something ngempumulo so angikhona ukubuza nosikenzakalani mina ngigcine ngilale endlini asakhona ukuthi ngifike kanjani esibhedlela like yonke into bongathi iphupho like ngiyathi ngibhizi ngiyaphupha so lento le mabayithatha isuye lapho and kungoba before isuye lapho abo-doctor njengoba ngilele esibhedlela it was only sufana 22 days manje abangazi kenzakalani so bacabanga ukuthi mina stroke like baba confused ukuthi yini ngathi abanye bese ngokuthi diabetes abanye bathi high blood yabo like le poison le beyisenzele emzimbeni wami i-confuse like makuye lapho kuba ngathi lento le kube ngathi lesifo lesi kube ngathi meningitis kube like into eziningi so after lapho nami yami selose balance amehlo wami athene manje angisaboni hearing angisezwa izandla asisezwa bangiphuzisa itiya bangiphuzisa nge-syringe still it felt like a dream like business whatever happened like whatever agenzakala like I felt like ngiyafa mina understand mara la mhlabe ngibabona ephupheni abantu bese bahambile understand so ukulala kwami bengibona lawo bantu labo la kuthi like ngibona lawo bantu labo kudala ngabagcina engibathanda abahambile futhi manje even though sisekhona engibathandayo mara laba it feels so good ukubabona ukwabona so njalo babanginyakazisa bayangiphazamisa from ukubala lawo bantu labo Nini ulele ilight iba mnyama nini yakhanya. Nini lele la kuyakha. Fana usabona molele endlini. Ukufika umuntu alayite akuphazamise from ubuthongweni like beyifila kanjani into ukuthi ka bese umbhedo uyanyakaza khona makashayisa umbhedo lapho ungafuni lezi zinto lezo. So after some time, I think it was 3 months or 6 months, angisakhumbuli kakhulu into eziningi ngisasikhumbula because into eyenzakala kudala and imemory yami bengasasebenzi kahle yabona noma ngikhuluma lokhu sometimes ngiyakhohlwa kube yilokho but ukusayinto engikhumbula ukuthi ugcina kwami abantu bengihlala nginabo it was lapha esikolweni. Sometimes masiphuma esikolweni besiya endaweni bathi research where sihlala nje sisiphuzele kube mnandi bese masesihamba sajaza saphuma zisendlini yabo into ezinjalo. Bengasaspend isikhathi nabangani bami engikhula nabo yabona yeah. So after some time ke njoba sengivukile bokuza ama therapists asongicheck ukuthi njani. How do I feel? Angakhona ukukhuluma. Ngibheke so mase qala speech therapist saqala ngaqala nga-attend speech therapist benguse-military. Isibhedlela se-military. So lapha they try all their best ukuthi bakusize. Baletha ama-specialist, baletha ama-professor, understand? So bangitrain. Sengiyaqala manje ngiqala ngabo kwami ngiqala ngifuna ukuthi abo mama kuthi ngikhona ukukhumbula amagama bangibuza ukuthi ubani lona so izandla bezingasebenzi yabona but ukucala kwami bengihlala ngizibukele move madams so fana uma ngiqala ukudla ispoon basifaka so basibophe bese bengafuni ukudliswa because mabangidlisa slow yabo ezinjalo mara mina mangidlisa more slow mara at least ngiyakhetha ukuthi leya angifunde ngiyayifuna because angikhona bengakhona ukukhuluma ngisho so bangidlisa noma yini like ibisa ngiliphuza bangidlisa ama Kellogg's anebisi angikhona batshotha angifuni bangiforce ukuthi bangidlisa instead bakugaye bakufaka ku syringe ukuthi kuzovele kuyehle kuphela yo like ibisi yo angilifuni ibisi ngikomasi angisithandi so bebangilisa like ibisi vele ngithi okay fine mara bokunanto ukuthi if lento lezonceda izonceda yabona because bona bayazi izonceda yabona makucala kancane babazi this nice yo Molji yana uMonica Molji isibongo sakhe bengithanda so bekathanda ukungenza amazipho yabona abona manje awakhuli bangathamba esibhedlela mangithi yobo amahle amade angixolisa like bekanginakekela like kumunye umuntu bekangilift up azene iBhayibheli ahlale phambi kwami afunda ama-Bible verse yabona asixoxa ngenzela amakhadi so it was nice vele like beyanesikhathi sami angigeza kamnandi bangiculela bangigeza ngihleka nabo kube mnandi nje yabona so i-recovery yami yabuya kancane eyesight yabuya ukuthi ngibone ngaleli lihleli1 then leli ngingaboni kahle so even though sometimes i-distance ngiyabona but angiboni kahle yabona i-hearing bangenzela ama-hearing aid yo layo ngafakile manje ukuthi ngikhona ukuzwa kahle even though ungakhona ukuzwa kahle but at least uyakhona ukuzwa ama-voice but kunama-sounds ongakhona ukuzwa yabona like inyoni sometimes awuzizwa kahle yabona ingoma masikhala uzwa ama-beats ama-lyrics awezwa yabona so ngijwayele kancane kuba yiba kakhulu manje masikhuluma senza ama-sign udlile usharp yabona so yile sign ngithi ngi-understandayo leyo sikhuluma ngayo sibe sharp sibe right so the sister lo she was a blessing understand even namanje sisakhuluma yabona bekuvakashela umama wakhe like mafika endlini beyafika xoxa ukuthi kune-patient siyazwana so umama wakhe afuna ukungimitha yabona ifamily yakhe izongibona okay kube right isikhathi masiyitherapy ngisho vele ngi-athende so bacala bangibuyisa ama-feelings sometimes maybe bangibambise insimbi bangibuza ukuthi yini le ngisho ukuthi hayi le ngiyafila ukuthi iyinsimbi bese bangibambise ifeather uzwe ukuthi hayi le ifeather bese bangibambise something ehalf uzwe ukuthi hayi le ehalf then sometimes ube inhlabathi you feel ukuthi hayi this is umhlabathi soil lena mara engcono nami bengikhulekela ukuthi ngine-disability manje isikhathi masiya ufuna ukugeza manje ngiyabuza ukuthi kanti why mina ngingaye ebhavini or eshaweni bathi hayi sokisa kusasa abangitsheli yabona ngidaka amapilisi ngilala following day sithi ngizongeza in like bengifila ngathi bayangikropha bangisula maka bangigeza kahle but sometimes ufila ngathi bayakropha like yabona uma ujwayele ukuthi mogeza uhlala ebhavini yabona so I wanted that feeling then mangilethela umuntu ozokhuluma nami asho ukuthi Mpumi yabona manje ngiyazwa khasisebenzi sisebenzi kanjani because nami benginalesidingo ukuthi umuntu inyawo efast sebenzi i-accident yabona because i-poison i-affects ama-nerves nama-muscles poison tholakala i-poison egazini lakho yo okay makathi zami ebuhlungu because I believe it's a poison yokubulala amagondwane or like ama-pest nje into ephazama ehluphayo understand so ngizibuza ubani ungayenza lento leyo and still namanje ngiba nefiya ukuthi angimazi uzosuba close nomuntu kanti lo muntu lo nguye yenzile lento leyo yabona so gogo amhambile manje she's late gogo mehla athi stay away from friends unabo mamncane abaku-age group yakho unabantwana bakini labo moko abangani bakho akhuluma ukuthi khona noNhlanhla next door noNhlanhla nikhula nonke usisi wakho umngane wakho and manje anisathatha njengabangani ni family understand so ngakhona ukuthi ngiyakhona ngifike ngikhale maybe ngikhuluma malume lo engibonisile sikhuluma yabona so gogo akhuluma ukuthi lapho ibachubeka nefamily yakho makomngane ngithemba so nginama-trust issues wena ukufika ebangani not as like ngithanda abantu ngiyathanda ukuba around people ma nginefear ukuba close kakhulu nomuntu because they betray you kuba ne-jealousy that's the reason futhi ngikunakuche because I know this was somebody close to me because bakhona being close nabo makokulweni kami banyamalala ukubona ube nomuntu uthi every time anihamba nithu manenze shopping nithu makokulweni wakho bom banyamalala till this day so namagama ngifuna ukwabisa because noma baxolela kangakanani baphinde the same thing futhi abanye yabona so I choose ukuthi ngibe umngane nomuntu wami Lisiba Moses maname ngiyamthanda yabona omunye uthe mafi impilo nami wayenza ukuthi izinto zichange like akhuluma ukuthi iwheelchair mina ngiyibona iwheelchair mina ngibona umuntu wami umuntu wathi mafika naye wazama ukuthatha ngithini angithande wangilola within the space of 6 months isizwana ngikuye luche ngiyezwa kahle nanoma sisendlini uyaklina akunakuthi uzoklina umfazi wena in no la engakhona khona uyayenza la engikhona khona uyayenza if uyawasha ngiya-ayina ngiyagoca sencintisana.
Alright ke sisi, so abantu mabafuna ukukuthola utholakala kuphi?
Okay, mina ku Facebook Nompumelelo Kubheka, like it's NOMPHUMELELO, then it's KUBHEKA.
Okay.
Because it's
Nompumelelo.
Yes, it's Nompumelelo.
Okay.
Then ku TikTok Chef Mpumi. Ane? So ngithanda ukupheka. Le passion yami enkulu kakhulu. Like now I'm a family chef. So I do wish ukuthi ngicala abantu bangibhukhe. Ngizosebenza because I trust my cooking. I trust my cooking and like I know ukuthi mangipheka abantu bazo-enjoya ukudla. Bayak-enjoya vele. Like even nomqombothi, efathana nomqombothi, umbhako omuncu. Anything ehlangana nje nepoto, oven, kitchen nje. Yabona, so then I like motivating people. Like on my spare time mangithothi ngobona udoctor, then mangithothi ngobona udoctor maybe ngizule esibhedlela ngivashe i-ward, maybe abantu bene-disability or ama-physio. Ngifike ngimotivate ama-patient like umuntu ukuthi abone ukuthi you can still look beautiful, you can still love yourself, ungazweli ubuhlungu. Yabona uma uzwela ubuhlungu abantu bazokuzwela, and uma usaba nabantu bazokusaba, uma usithanda nabantu bazokuthanda. Then if kunabantu angawufundi distance, uma feel bad vibe, shift fast because kunesipho ophiwa sona ukuthi ufeel ukuthi la angifuneki. So phuma completely if uyazizwa ukuthi kunjalo. Understand? So I do motivate abantu kanjalo ukuthi yabona uma usibhedlela ungamele ukuthi bakupha ama-picture masesibhedlela. Geza ufake i-perfume yakho, ufake ama-picture wakho. During the day fake impahla zakho, i-short ne-vest. Like ungazinikeli ekuguleni. Wazinikela ekuguleni uzogula. Then another thing, challenge enkulu, wheelchair. Yabo i-wheelchair is not for umuntu ophila nge-disability vele. Iyenza i-disability ibe more. But siqolo sometimes uthothi uba weak, kumele usiphushe, kuba nzima ukusiphusha. Umzimba wakho ube comfortable. I-sponge is important. And manje okubuhlungu yini? Yonke into iba expensive. I-wheelchair khona uku-accommodate akusiyo la. Khona le bengihamba ngayo but it's broken. So I need i-wheelchair entsha, like engizokhona ukuthi noma ngihleli ngikhona ukuba right, because le mawugibela embhedeni kula uthi yakufila relax like. So sometimes mohlala embhedeni kuba ngathi uyavila lapha ufuna uhlala embhedeni. Mara abantu ba-understand ukuthi leyo part there, even now mohlesi isikhathi so uyakhathala uyasukuma nje okubhizi utshintsha ama-position, but noma ngishintsha i-position ngishintsha ngisephi because I have to sit like this. Understand? So i-challenge yami i-wheelchair, i-eyesight. Ngiphula ama-specs angiboni kahle. Kufuneka imali. So ngidinga usizo for i-eyesight ukuthi ngithole ama-specs, ama-contact lens. Kuthi noma mangizocala ukuthi mema ngathi ngiba nenhlanhla manje kuba khona umuntu othi Mpumi izosebenza. Ngizosogola for ukubona kahle. Understand? So umsebenzi anything izokhona uku-accommodate is fine. Cooking ngiyayithanda but at the same time nginokuba ne-fear. Understand? Ukuba endaweni okukitchen because kunabantu olwa nabo ekitchen because ungathandi indlela abapheka ngayo or bona ba-criticize indlela opheka ngayo. Because wena uthanda ukuthi uma upheka you cook with love. You understand? Awupheki nje ukuthi abantu badle ukuthi uzoyenza imali. Cook with love. Kuthi yazini now abantu bangena ekitchen bajahela ukudla. ungapheki nje ukuthi abantu bathini silambile mara kube nantolo ukuthi nanomuntu asuthi athi thingithenge so that ngizodla masengilambile kahle yabona so mina sethi mangidla ngimbone ukuthi makabhiza like mina vele mudla SS uzofuna ukudla kwami ukudla uzofuna umphako uzofuna umphako like yabona so like yabona nanto la ngiyasichaza vele and futhi ngiyasabi because ngiyayithemba cooking ngami I understand so yeah like iwishambu kuba nekitchen yabona ikitchen izobe lami but at the same time we understand running a business kunzima at the same time because kuba complicated. Sometimes I do wish to run a business, but at the same time I do wish to turn umsebenzi. I'm getting old. I'm now way forward. Understand? Ngifuna indlu yami. Sometimes I go abana sikhona amaphasi whereby bokufika abantu ukuthi bathi apply since nasine disability. Sometimes siyadlule ukuyobhalisa izinto. Then register lapho. So I did register for indlu kulawo bantu labo. So since email indlu yakhona akuna feedback kusizinto zikhona mawubuza wathi zikhona. But then angazi but I do wish ukuthi ibe nendlu ezoba wheelchair friendly. Ngiphile kahle ngizirandele kahle azukuwe like ngifuna ukukhululeka empilweni like at least njengoba sengu wheelchair ithi ngichubeke ngempilo as much as before wheelchair bengisiphila ngikhona ukuthi uyakwazi ungakhona ukusukela la ngizele shop maka manje kwamona umemeza umuntu kwamona uhlupha abantu kumele kuzube khona umuntu endlini ihiye ngiyakhona ukuphendula ama calls akhona like angikhona ukuzenzela izinto uyi1 so iwishami ukuthi ngikhona usizo ukuthi kube khona inkito mangiyazi
so wheelchair kahle ne accommodate okay yeah all right nizwile ke ne babukeli so if you are able to assist usisi Mpumi please reach out to her sizobhala her social media account ukuthi njoba ishilo nomphumelelo kubheka. If you are willing to assist with anything please reach out to her. She's very quick ke respondeni so angeke azakuhlalisa isikhathi eside. Siyabonga kakhulu futhi for tuning in. I hope unifundile emakhaya and that we need to accept abantu for who they are and I hope lesson nifundile from uNompumelelo. Until the next episode, thank you for watching.